In the flickering light of a lab tucked away in Silicon Valley, a revolution simmers, not of weapons or politics, but of capability and cognition. Here lies the frontier of human augmentation, where artificial intelligence, AI, isn't just altering what we do, but fundamentally reshaping how we think, feel, and interface with the world. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's today's reality, and its implications are profound. Imagine a future where human limitations are not just challenged but surpassed, where the integration of AI into our biological systems enhances our senses, cognition, and physical abilities. As we stand at this precipice, staring into a future interwoven with AI, the imperative isn't just to understand but to ethically harness this power. The intertwining of artificial intelligence with human faculties marks a new epoch in human evolution, opening avenues that once existed only in the realms of imagination. With great power comes great responsibility, and thus begins our exploration of AI in human augmentation, an odyssey through promise, application, ethics, and beyond. Unveiling the veil. What is human augmentation? Human augmentation refers to the use of technology to enhance a person's cognitive and physical abilities. The concept is not entirely new. It stretches back to the invention of tools, from simple implements like the wheel, to complex computational devices like computers. However, with the advent of AI, augmentation has leapt from mechanical augmentation to cognitive and sensory enhancement that could soon offer humans abilities akin to those seen in superhero films. The distinction today lies in the integration. AI is not merely a tool wielded by human hands, but is becoming a part of the human experience itself. This radical transformation is thanks to advances in areas such as neural networks, machine learning, robotics, and nanotechnology, making it feasible to enhance human intelligence, strengthen physical capabilities, and even augment sensory perception. Historical perspective. From science fiction to science fact. The idea of enhancing human capabilities through technological means has a long lineage in science fiction. Classic works by authors like Isaac Asimov and Philip K. Dick have painted vivid pictures of worlds where human capacities are extensively enhanced by machines. These stories have laid the philosophical and ethical groundwork for dealing with the implications of such technologies. Long before actual implementation, science fiction has asked vital questions about identity, privacy, and what it means to be human in a world of augmented capabilities. Today, these once fantastical ideas are being tested in laboratories and tech firms across the globe, turning fiction into reality. Technological underpinnings. How AI fuels augmentation. AI is the engine driving the new wave of human augmentation. Its ability to process and analyze large amounts of data at unprecedented speeds makes it ideal for applications ranging from predictive analytics in healthcare to real-time decision-making, enhancements in augmented reality environments. One of the most critical areas where AI is making an impact is in the development of brain-computer interfaces, BCIs. These devices rely on AI to interpret neural signals and translate them into actions, enabling direct communication between the brain and external devices. This is not just revolutionary for individuals with disabilities, it's paving the way for tomorrow's average person to interact seamlessly with technological systems, enhancing their everyday capabilities. Sensory augmentation is one of the most immediate areas where AI integration can be felt. Through devices equipped with AI, humans can now see wavelengths of light beyond the visible spectrum, hear sounds beyond the normal range, and even feel the microscopic textures of surfaces. This isn't just about superhuman abilities, it's about creating new forms of interaction with our environment. For instance, firefighters using AI-enhanced goggles can see through smoke and identify hotspots and victims, dramatically improving rescue operations. Cognitive augmentation goes beyond enhancing the raw processing power of the brain. It involves reshaping our cognitive architecture with AI to enhance memory, learning speed, and decision-making. AI algorithms can personalize learning experiences, adapt in real time to the user's cognitive load, and even detect when to introduce new information optimally. AI-driven physical augmentation is not just about enhancing human strength or endurance. It's about creating systems that can anticipate and react to the user's intentions and environmental contexts. Exoskeletons, for example, use AI to provide mobility assistance or additional strength while being finely tuned to the user's movements and the surrounding environment. These devices are transformative, especially for rehabilitation and for providing support to workers performing physically demanding tasks, reducing the risk of injury and improving efficiency. As these technologies advance, they promise not only to restore lost capabilities, but to enhance human physicality to levels previously unimaginable. Ethical dimensions, navigating the new frontier. As with any transformative technology, AI and human augmentation comes with a host of ethical considerations. Issues of privacy, consent, and access are at the forefront. There's also the risk of exacerbating social inequalities. If such technologies are only accessible to the wealthy or certain sectors of society. Moreover, the integration of AI into human cognitive and physical spheres raises profound questions about individual identity and autonomy. What does it mean to be human when our thoughts, emotions, and actions can be augmented or even controlled by artificial intelligence? Societal impacts, integration and disruption. The societal implications of AI-driven human augmentation are vast and complex. On one hand, these technologies can lead to significant improvements in quality of life and human capability. On the other, they threaten to disrupt current social, economic, and professional structures. For instance, enhanced capabilities could lead to greater productivity, but also to new standards of normalcy that could marginalize those without enhancements. Additionally, the workplace could see drastic transformations as augmented humans bring new skills and efficiencies, potentially sidelining those who are unaugmented. Society will need to adapt to these changes by reconsidering concepts of equality, rights, and what it means to be employed. Regulatory challenges. Governing the ungovernable. Regulating AI in human augmentation poses significant challenges. Current laws do not adequately cover the myriad of ways in which AI can be integrated into human bodies and minds. New frameworks will need to be developed that consider both the technical aspects of AI and the ethical, legal, and social implications. This involves not only national but global cooperation, as the reach of AI technology knows no boundaries. The goal is to ensure that human augmentation develops in a way that benefits all of humanity while minimizing risks to individuals and society. Future visions, the road ahead. The future of AI and human augmentation is teeming with possibilities. From AI interfaces that could connect directly with the human sensory system to genetic editing tools that use AI to help guide decisions, the potential for further integration of AI into human enhancement is vast. However, it is crucial that development is guided by rigorous ethical standards and a clear understanding of long-term impacts. Case studies: pioneers of AI-augmented abilities. Case studies: pioneers of AI-augmented abilities. Several groundbreaking case studies illustrate the potential and challenges of AI in human augmentation. One notable example is a project where AI-enabled prosthetic limbs are used to restore and enhance motor skills for individuals with amputations. Another involves AI systems that help visually impaired individuals see through audio signals processed in real time. These cases not only highlight the technological innovations but also underscore the need for careful consideration of the user's needs and contexts, ensuring that the technology truly serves to enhance human life. Conclusion: the balance of promise and caution. AI-driven human augmentation represents a significant leap forward in our quest to transcend human limits. With its potential to remake the foundations of human capabilities, it also demands a balance of enthusiasm with caution. As we navigate this new terrain, our guide must be a commitment to harnessing AI's potential responsibly, ensuring equitable access and prioritizing human welfare in all developments. The journey of integrating AI into human augmentation is just beginning, and it promises to reshape the landscape of human capability and society in profound ways. As we continue on this path, the choices we make today will define the future of humanity tomorrow.